All facts about baboon. Baboons are a kind of monkey found in Africa and Arabia. The majority of baboons are sociable creatures who live in groups known as troops. This article on baboon facts is a part of our collection on African animals. 1. Introduction. Baboons are a collection of many monkey species that are native to Africa and Arabia. The Chamaka baboon, Papio ursinus, the western baboon, Papio papio, the Hamadryas baboon, Papio hamadryas, the olive baboon, Papio anubis, and the yellow baboon are the 5 species that are typically classified as baboons, Papio cynocephalus. 2. Baboon troops. Most baboons live in troops, or social groups. The typical group size is roughly 50 animals, however, group sizes can range from 5 to 250. The size of the group is influenced by things including the species, season, and availability of food. The social structure of baboon troops is quite intricate. Males overpower rivals by showing off their physical prowess. To get rid of insects and dead skin, troop members spend a lot of time intensely grooming one another. This practice also helps to preserve social ties. 3. Baboons, where do they live? Baboons live on the ground and can be found in a variety of environments, including open savanna, hills, and open woods. Far western Africa is home to the Guinea baboon, while southern Africa is the home of the Chacma baboon. The north-central African savanna is the habitat of the olive baboon, south-central and eastern Africa is the home of the yellow baboon, and the Horn of Africa and southwestern Arabia are the home of the Hamadryas baboon. 4. Appearance. The size and weight of baboons vary depending on the species. The Guinea baboon is the smallest, measuring 20 in, 50 centimeters, and weighing only 30 pounds, 14 kilograms, while the largest, the Chacma baboon, can measure 47 in, 120 centimeters, and weigh 90 pounds, 40 kilograms. Some are grayish in hue, while others are black or brownish. Some horses have a white mane. Baboons all have a large head with a strong brow ridge, a long dog-like mouth with powerful jaws and keen canine teeth, and a long dog-like muzzle with powerful jaws and sharp canine teeth. Their eyes are close-set and in front of their faces, allowing them to see clearly. Except for their muzzles and buttocks, they have dense fur. Baboons are famous for having prominent buttocks with rough, occasionally colorful regions known as ischial callosities. These are nerveless skin pads that allow baboons to sit comfortably for long periods of time while waiting for predators. Their tail, like those of other Old World monkeys, is not prehensile, it cannot grab, but they can climb trees. There are variances between males and females in all baboon species. Usually, this is a variation in size, but it can also be a difference in color or canine teeth. 5. Diet and feeding of baboons. Baboons are omnivorous. While they eat largely vegetables, they also consume meat, insects and, when available, fish, trout and salmon, hares, birds, tiny antelopes, vervet monkeys, and shellfish are among the meats they consume. They hunt both during the day and at night. Baboons have been known to assault human residences and, in some circumstances, to feed on animals, sheep and goats, and eat significant amounts of crops. 6. Reproduction. Female baboons commence mating by thrusting their enlarged rump squarely into the male's face. Females are normally pregnant for around 6 months after a successful mating. When they give birth, they normally have a single baby that weighs around 14 ounces, 400 grams, and has black skin. Females are more likely to care for their young than males, yet in some species, numerous females collaborate and care for all of their kids. After roughly a year, the young are weaned and achieve sexual maturity in 5 to 8 years. Male baboons never leave their birth group, whilst females remain in the same group their entire lives. Although in the wild, baboons can live for up to 45 years in captivity. 7. Are baboons threatened? Baboons are not endangered, but habitat degradation owing to agricultural growth, overgrazing, massive irrigation projects, and overall human populations poses a concern.